Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is going to be a hair video. In my previous video with my black smoky eye, a lot of you guys had wanted to know how I achieved the hairstyle I had on there. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch that video before this, just to give yourself a glimpse of what you're expecting, you know, and just because, so you can watch all my other videos as well. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my frontal in 8 different styles. So if you guys want to see how I style my frontal, please keep on watching. So this is going to be number 1. course, I saved the best for last. I know you guys really wanted to see this one, so I kind of put it in the end so you guys can watch all the other ones and then see this one, okay? Don't forget, you can always go back and spray that glue back on to stick down your frontal if it's lifting. The point is, at the end, it should not be lifting, but during, you know, like manipulating the hair, it's possible that it may lift. Anyways, I hope you guys learned some new styles. I hope you guys try them out. If you do, please tag me or let me know, and I would love to see them. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Ring that bell, the notifications bell, so you don't miss out any posts from me here on YouTube. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.